to guide you on how to get unbanned from a Roblox game 2026. If you want to actually get unbanned from Roblox, today's video I'm going to guide you to on how you can actually do that. So first off, you come in across the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Let's dive right into the video. So all you need to do, you need to go to your browser and search for roblox.com help support. So click on that, then you're going to click on the first link, Roblox support. So once you click on the link, it's going to ask you for your date of birth, and once you're done putting it in there, this is what you're going to be seeing on your screen. So you will go ahead and add in your username, which is optional, your first name optional, your email very important because you're going to be putting the email you used in logging in or signing up Roblox. So after that, you're going to be confirming your email as well. Then you're going to click on this type of device if you're using a PC, iPhone, iPad, Android phone, Android tablets, Amazon device, and others. You're going to be selecting it, and then you're going to be putting in your category type. So on this one here, you're going to be putting bug reports, and for this as well, you're going to also be putting bug reports. Then here you're going to be saying whatever you want to tell Roblox, and then you're going to be sending it to them. So after that, you're going to wait for at least 24 hours. Roblox is going to respond to you and give you a good reply, and then you're going to be subscribing to this channel. See you in the next one. That's how you can actually fix that problem. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.